welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for being here, and I really appreciate your time. If you are interested in finding out more information about this beautiful unit that I'm currently wearing, please stay tuned. So apparently there's a whole bunch of goodies in here as well as the wig. So that is so sweet. Oh my god. Wow. It comes with headbands. Oh my goodness. It comes with this really cute leopard print headband, which is like one of my favorite color patterns. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different headbands. Okay, so here's a little note from Helena, the founder of LUVME Hair. It says, enjoy your hair journey from now on. 2 wig caps and this little LUVME Hair bag. And this, oh, this is for, okay, so then it comes with a pair of tweezers, a LUVME hair clip. It comes with these, these bobby pins, and then it comes with a LUVME Hair, what are these called, like an edge laying band that you put on your edges when you're laying your edges. And finally in here is a little edge tool. I never use these, but it's just a nice little package, you know what I mean, that they give you all that stuff. I think that's nice. I like things like that. So okay, let's actually get to the wig. Okay, so here is the wig. It came inside of this bag that also says LUVME Hair on it. And here is the unit. So I think this is 24 inches that they sent to me. Ooh. Okay. This hair feels really good. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. Wow. It comes with 3 wig combs on either side as well as in the front, and then there's one in the very back. So there's actually 4 wig combs, and it comes with this little band on the top. I always cut this off. This is how the curls look. So it's giving me like a maybe a dark 2, maybe even a 4, because my hair is naturally black. Let me compare it to my hair. So yeah, my hair is a little darker. So I would just put a rinse on this. Okay. Just running my hands through it to see if anything sheds. The hair is extremely soft. There's pretty much no detangle, like pretty much no tangles as I'm doing this. Wow. I am in disbelief at how, okay, so I'm just getting any little pieces of any shedding, and it's still not that much shedding. So this is what the unit is looking like now that I have ran my fingers through it. You can see the texture coming out. This is probably more of how I would wear it. I like my units to be kind of fluffy. The cap is making me a little concerned because it is smaller. It's looking small, so I'm not exactly sure. I have a big head, and as you can see, I have a lot of hair, so I don't know. So it's about right here on me, right at this point. I'm genuinely shocked at the quality of it. Not that I was expecting it to not be good quality, but I am always happy when I receive a unit and it's really in great condition. It's exactly like I would definitely have spent money on this. I would have absolutely spent money on this. Okay, so as I'm running my fingers through it, I'm gonna show you all of the shedding that I've been getting thus far, which is not a lot. This is how much shedding that I've gotten. so far. So not very much. I cut the band off because I never keep the band on there. I never use the band. I always prefer to have it all the way back to the track. So I'm going to show you how I cut the band off. So what I'm going to be using to cut the band off are these eyebrow trimming scissors. You can also use them to trim your eyelashes, but I like them because they have that point at the end and they're able to really get close in and cut what you need to cut. So this is basically what I do. So I look for any stitching that is looking like it's already gonna come up. Okay, so like, I don't know if you can see this right here, but it's where the stitching is coming up. And you wanna be sure to only cut the stitching that's attached to the band and not the stitching that is attached to the track. So once you usually get the first stitch cut, you can kind of see you can kind of just pull it up and you will see where more stitches are that need to be cut. Okay. So here's a stitch. All right. Here's a stitch. So that I am not cutting the hair or not cutting the sewing that is holding the track onto the front of the wig. Right, so I'm cutting. As I'm cutting, like I told you, the whatever little strings are holding on that I need to cut, they either pop already or they show me where I need to cut next. Okay, so now you can see this is what I wanted, this right here, because this is going to actually allow for the headband, whatever headband that you put on there, to lay flat on your hairline versus if you have a headband on top of another headband. You can see how flat that is compared to if you want to have this thick headband in the way. So this is the cap structure of the wig now. As you can see, I haven't cut any of the stitching. So that's what the cap structure is looking like. Gorgeous wig, gorgeous unit. Look at this curl pattern. Beautiful curl pattern, oh my goodness.
This unit is from LUVME Hair. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video and giving me the opportunity to review this wig. I so far have absolutely enjoyed it, to be frank. I'm not just saying this because this wig was sent to me. This is truly a really nice unit. What I can say about it so far is it does not tangle. It is, you know, very lightweight. It moves, you know, it's not stiff at all. It was easy to wash. It was easy to, you know, style. As you can see in the video, I was able to pretty much use my fingers to finger detangle and style the unit. Right now, I am wearing it as a half wig, so I have my hair out in the front. So for the most part, it's pretty easy to blend with my natural hair. I just decided to go ahead and twist my hair overnight with a little bit of gel and leave-in conditioner, and I was able to, you know, for the most part, blend my hair with the wig. I could absolutely do a better job, but I had to hurry up and do this so I could go off to class. But as a half wig, absolutely thumbs up. I actually wore it last night with the half up, half down style, and I will show you pictures of how it looked. It looked beautiful. It looked very natural. So one of the things that I did, which I showed in my unboxing part of the video, is I cut off the headband. And the reason, like I said in the video, it's so important to cut off the headband is because it really does increase your versatility when it comes to wearing headband wigs. A lot of times when you leave the headband on, it's just like an extra headband, unless you plan on using the everyday black headband like for everyday wear. It can, you know, show or get in the way of you wearing, you know, different styles. So I always cut it off. So this is, you know, this is where the wig starts. So as you can see, it's blending, you know, it's flat, and I would not be able to achieve this look had I left that headband on. But I do want to show you what this unit looks like completely with no hair left out, with just a headband on it. So I'm going to take my wig off and show you how I would wear it with no hair left out. So I'm going to take my hair and unblend it. So this is my hair right here. So I'm just taking the pieces of my hair that I have twisted away. So as you can see how the technique that I chose, like the lazy technique of blending my hair with this wig, was taking like little pieces like that and just twisting my hair and then tucking it so that they don't stick out. All right. Looks strange, right? Okay, so here is the unit off of my head, and okay, so now I'm gonna take a wig cap. Right, so this is what we have so far. The way that I would wear it if I was wearing this as a headband wig. So I'm going to push my hair, this cap, back, you know, a little bit so you can see my edges, you can see the front of my hair. And I'm gonna take my wig, put the back comb in, other combs, okay, so I'm not going to use the center comb because this is actually pretty stable the way that is. Okay, so now this is the headband, and here we go. So again, as you can see, this sits much flatter on my head because I have removed the headband that it comes with. So this is how it is looking as a headband wig with none of my hair left out in the front. None of it. going to show you how I will wear this unit, or should I say how I wore the unit as half up, half down. So I'm going to pull my hair back out that I have already sectioned off. Okay. So again, look at how flat that looks. It would not look like that. I'm sorry, that's flakes from the gel. That would not look like that had I not cut the headband off. Just want to keep highlighting that. Okay, so here's your ponytail. So all I'm gonna do is just fix this real quick. I'll be right back. Now I did a loose ponytail. If you wanted to obviously make it tighter, you can make it, you know, this tight. You can use bobby pins to make it tight. I like a natural loose messy ponytail. So again, this is how versatile this unit is, of course, you know, once you cut the headband off. But this look at this. So my final thoughts on this unit is it's absolutely gorgeous. It's a great texture to play with if you have 3C to like 4B type hair textures. I think that this is a good unit for you to play with, experimenting different ways to blend your hair, as well as just, you know, finding different headbands to wear with it. The cap structure is kind of, you know, small unless you find a way to flatten your hair, you know, whether it's flat twist cornrows, but it's not like super small. It's not a big cap, but it's not tiny. It's a great, you know, wig for someone who wants to do or try different styles, but, you know, really wants to just stick to one wig that they kind of manipulate the, you know, hair and do all these different things with. I would not try to blow dry this unit or straighten it. I mean, I'm sure you can, but you know, what would be the point? I mean, but overall, this hair behaves very well. It was very easy to wash, very easy to detangle. As you saw in the video, I did choose to dry the unit upside down so that there would be more volume up here at the top, because that's what I prefer. But yeah, I mean, this honestly, like I said, this is a great unit. If I would have paid for this and, you know, this is, you know, the same quality that I received, I would be extremely satisfied. This unit is beautiful. The curl pattern is beautiful. The way the hair behaves, you can wear it all day. There's no like tangling and matting back here where the, you know, where the hair is touching your collar. It's honestly a great unit, and I'm so grateful that I was able to review this hair. If you would like to check this unit out, I will leave the link in the description box below so that you can try it for yourself. Those are my final thoughts. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.